The body, the scarf, the present, the hat. We're making 4 of them. I believe we're doing a penguin. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do penguin ornaments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. They're gonna look like this. The body, the scarf, the present, the hat. We have the hat, present, the feet, the scarf, the pom-poms for the hat. Now we're gonna put the body together. Do you like this, Deanie? You dip the glue in.
And
you rub it
that's the trick?
Yeah,
I've seen that trick in my life.
I'm doing one for Daddy.
You're doing one for me?
Yeah, because I love you.
Medina.
So we're making 4 of them. It just mixes so well. I already put it.
Oh, you did?
I guess it's not gonna stick because if you add too much glue, it's not gonna stick.
No, it's good. It's good.
No, next is the scarf. I forgot. Next is the scarf. As we do this. So the hat is next. That's after the scarf. Oh, I forgot the trick. I did that one.
Huh?
I did that one.
You did that one?
Do the scarf on those.
I can't believe we're doing a penguin. Oh, does it go like this? Now we're gonna put the hat. Apply the skulls. Does this go like this?
Pretty good.
Oh no, my pom-pom fell. Now we're just gonna let it dry before we hang it. It goes like this. This is how they look. Aren't they so cutie? Oh.
You like them?
I hope some of the parts. Now we're gonna put the string to make it hang. We're gonna sugar it ready and hang them on our string. Wow.
Who's that?
My teddy bear.
What's his name?
Lucky.
Lucky.
Teddy Featherston.
Yeah.
All right, Lucky. Let's finish this one, Lucky.
We only have 2 left.
Yeah, look, we did. Pick it up.
Teddy Featherston.
Pick it up.
Lucky. You are lucky.
All the way through. All the way through.
Oh, another titsy. What the friends is going on? Shuti naman na
All
ayan.
the way through.
Stara pito na basta po.
There's only.
They call me Meshka Meshkovich.
Can I try? No, I want to do something with the glue.
Okay, now let's go hang them. Oh, she's missing a pom-pom.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this will dry. I can fix it. This one here. So I hope Santa will like it. I think Santa will think that we just bought these. I'll put mine next to. Remember this Deanie's?
Mm-hmm.
And I'll hang mine next to Deanie's. Dad. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.